Beneath the rolling waves of the world's tropical seas, an extraordinary ecosystem thrives, teeming with life, color, and complexity. The coral reef, often called the rainforest of the sea, supports thousands of species in a delicate and interdependent web of life. Among these creatures, there is one that stands out with its bold colors, small stature, and remarkable adaptability. This is the clownfish, a tiny yet vibrant species that plays a critical role in the underwater world it calls home. The clownfish is best known for its striking orange, white, and black markings, and for its relationship with a unique marine creature, the sea anemone. Found primarily in the shallow waters of the Indo-Pacific and Red Sea, clownfish make their homes among the venomous tentacles of anemones, where they enjoy protection from predators. It is a fascinating partnership, one that has evolved over millennia and illustrates the intricate balance of life in the ocean. To most fish, the sea anemone is a deadly predator. Its tentacles are lined with stinging cells known as nematocysts that release venom upon contact, paralyzing any creature unfortunate enough to venture too close. Clownfish have found a way to live within this dangerous environment unharmed. Through a special adaptation, clownfish are born with a thick layer of mucus on their skin, which protects them from the anemone's stings. This mucus may contain chemicals that prevent the nematocysts from firing, allowing the clownfish to move freely among the tentacles, safe from harm. The clownfish does not simply reside in the anemone, it forms a close mutualistic relationship with it. In exchange for protection, the clownfish provides several benefits to the anemone. It cleans the anemone by removing debris and parasites, and it lures in prey for the anemone with its bright colors and active swimming patterns. At night, the clownfish may also help circulate water through the anemone's tentacles, ensuring that it gets enough oxygen to thrive. This symbiotic relationship benefits both species, allowing them to flourish in a habitat filled with competition and predators. However, the clownfish's relationship with the anemone is just one aspect of its fascinating life. Clownfish live in small social groups dominated by a strict hierarchy where size and strength determine rank. At the top of the group is a single dominant female, the largest and most aggressive member. Below her is a smaller male, her mate. The rest of the group consists of smaller, non-breeding males who play a subordinate role. But the clownfish's social structure holds a remarkable secret. All clownfish are born male, with the ability to change sex. If the dominant female dies or is removed from the group, the largest male undergoes a dramatic transformation, changing sex to become the new dominant female. The next largest male then becomes her mate. This ability to change sex is known as sequential hermaphroditism, a rare and fascinating adaptation that ensures the stability and survival of the clownfish group. This extraordinary ability allows clownfish to maintain a breeding pair within their group, regardless of external threats or disruptions. The breeding behavior of clownfish is equally remarkable. During the reproductive season, the female lays hundreds, sometimes thousands, of tiny eggs on a flat surface near the base of the anemone. Once the eggs are laid, it is the male's responsibility to care for them. He diligently tends to the nest, fanning the eggs with his fins, to ensure they receive enough oxygen and defending them from potential predators. The male's devotion to his offspring is tireless, as he constantly monitors the eggs until they hatch. After about 6 to 10 days, the eggs hatch and tiny larvae emerge, drifting into the open ocean on the currents. For the first few weeks of their lives, these larvae are entirely at the mercy of the ocean's vastness. They float with the plankton, vulnerable to predators, and few will survive this stage. But those that do make it back to a reef will eventually seek out an anemone, beginning the cycle anew. The lives of clownfish may seem idyllic, but they face growing threats in today's changing oceans. One of the greatest dangers to the clownfish and the coral reefs they depend on is climate change. Rising sea temperatures are causing widespread coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals lose the symbiotic algae that provide them with nutrients and color. Without these algae, corals become weak, brittle, and vulnerable to disease, and many die. This loss of coral reefs has a direct impact on clownfish populations, as their anemone homes are often found attached to the coral structure. Additionally, ocean acidification, a result of increased carbon dioxide levels, makes it more difficult for corals to build their calcium carbonate skeletons, further degrading reef habitats. Overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction also pose significant challenges to clownfish and the ecosystems they are a part of. Despite these challenges, clownfish have become symbols of hope and resilience in the fight to protect the world's coral reefs. Their popularity, boosted by their starring role in animated films, has brought global attention to the importance of marine conservation. In response, efforts are being made to protect coral reefs and the species that rely on them. Marine Protected Areas, MPAs, are being established around the world, creating safe zones where fishing and other harmful activities are restricted. Coral restoration projects are also underway, where scientists and conservationists are working to rebuild damaged reefs by transplanting healthy coral fragments and cultivating new coral growth. In some cases, clownfish themselves are being bred in captivity and reintroduced to the wild in efforts to bolster populations in areas where they have declined. By understanding the delicate balance of relationships in coral reef ecosystems, we can take steps to protect the future of these vital habitats. The story of the clownfish is one of survival, adaptability, and the incredible complexity of life beneath the waves. These small, vibrant fish may be easy to overlook, but they play a critical role in the ecosystems they inhabit. Their symbiotic relationship with the sea anemone, their unique social structure, and their ability to change sex highlight the intricate and remarkable strategies nature has developed to ensure survival in the ocean's challenging environment. Clownfish remind us of the fragile beauty of our planet's marine ecosystems. They are guardians of the coral reefs, playing their part in the delicate balance of life that sustains the biodiversity of the seas. As we look to the future, the fate of clownfish and the coral reefs they depend on serves as a barometer of the health of our oceans. If we are to ensure the survival of these incredible ecosystems, it is up to us to take action, to protect, conserve, and restore the habitats that sustain life. The clownfish may be small, but their role in the ocean is mighty, and their story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. By saving them, we are, in a sense, saving ourselves, ensuring that future generations will continue to be enchanted by the wonders of the coral reefs and the vibrant life within them. In the end, the story of the clownfish is a testament to the resilience of nature, but also a call to action. To protect the heart of the sea, we must learn from these tiny guardians of the coral and do everything in our power to preserve their world for the future.